In this video, get ready to elevate your car cleaning experience as we explore the ultimate solution that effortlessly conquers crumbs, dirt, and debris. Say hello to hassle-free cleaning and bid farewell to traditional methods. Join us as we take a closer look at what makes the handheld vacuum cleaners in this video standout choices among the best car vacuum cleaners on the market. The Eminso cordless handheld vacuum presents a remarkable suction power of up to 9,000 Pascal. Through strong cyclonic action, a strength that stands twice as potent as the average handheld vacuum cleaner. This device offers the convenience of two adjustable suction modes, 9 kPa and 5 kPa, affording versatile cleaning of dust, crumbs, and pet hair in challenging spaces like cars, sofas, walls, stairs, and other less accessible areas. Its portability is enhanced by its lightweight build and the absence of cumbersome power cords. This mobility allows for effortless, one-handed, long-term cleaning, effectively eliminating the exhaustion associated with cleaning tasks. The inclusion of two built-in LED lights further amplifies its functionality, particularly when cleaning dim or hidden corners, such as those behind car seats, enabling thorough cleaning without any blind spots. The operating noise of this handheld vacuum stays below 75 decibel, guaranteeing a quieter cleaning experience. The device is furnished with two versatile accessories and a spacious 450 ml transparent dustbin. The user-friendly one-button dusting design simplifies the emptying process, while the incorporated HEPA filter is adept at capturing dust and fine particles, effectively preventing secondary pollution. Compared to standard bag filters, the HEPA filter not only offers superior filtration efficiency, but also extends the device's lifespan. A helpful tip: to ensure optimal results, make it a practice to empty the dustbin of the car vacuum cleaner after each usage. Safety and speed are hallmarks of this product's performance. The cordless handheld vacuum is equipped with a 2,200 mAh lithium-ion battery capable of running for 30 minutes on a single charge. That takes a mere 3 hours to complete. With US safety certification and a suite of protective measures including temperature, short circuit, overvoltage, overcurrent, and overcharge safeguards, this device prioritizes user safety. Additionally, a removable wall-mounted charging stand is available, adding an element of elegance and tidiness to its storage when not in use. The Attenip handheld vacuum cordless brings forth an impressive suction capability ranging from 6 to 9 kPa, featuring two adjustable speeds catering to individual preferences. This powerful suction prowess ensures a thorough and comprehensive cleaning experience. The device boasts a built-in high-efficiency motor, operational at an impressive 36,000 RPM vacuum rotation performance, thus supplying the device with efficient suction force. This robust suction capability empowers users to effortlessly tackle a range of debris, including pet hair, dust, cereal, and sand, all within a matter of seconds. An added advantage is its noise level, kept below 78 decibel, guaranteeing a more comfortable and less intrusive cleaning experience. The device excels in quick charging and battery performance. Designed with cutting-edge quick charge technology, it boasts an exceptional performance that includes temperature protection, input voltage and current protection, as well as short-circuit protection, ensuring the safety of the device throughout the charging process. A full charge can be attained within 3 to 4 hours, and the device remains operational for over 25 minutes on a single charge. The Fueoc car vacuum cleaner offers a cordless cleaning experience that liberates you from the entanglements of cords. Weighing a mere 2.4 pounds, this handheld vacuum proves ideal for efficient cleaning in challenging spots like sofas, cars, and other hard-to-reach areas. With a noise level restrained to less than 75 decibels, a tranquil cleaning encounter awaits you. Its dual openings and one-button dust removal design facilitate effortless emptying. Incorporating the latest rapid charging technology, this cordless handheld vacuum attains a full charge in just 3 hours, furnishing you with a substantial 30-minute cleaning span. The LED indicator offers a clear view of the remaining power, serving as a reminder for timely recharging. The wall-mounted charging stand not only conserves space, but also presents an aesthetically pleasing storage solution for your accessories. The flexibility to remove the charger from the rack extends the convenience of direct desktop charging. Enhanced suction power and LED illumination further set this handheld vacuum apart. The advanced motor delivers an impressive 10,000 Pascal suction capability, effectively handling various forms of dirt, such as small messes, hair and food crumbs, a choice of 2 suction speeds. High and low allows adaptation to your cleaning requirements. The integrated LED light enhances visibility, making it a breeze to clean dark or dimly lit areas.